guys.
Hi guys, I'm back with that video. Today we're doing the unlimited volcano kit. So let's get started. Comes the volcano set, the directions, the middle part of the volcano, the stuff, the paintbrush.
Yeah.
Let's just, yeah. First, we're gonna read the directions right here, guys. Well, I think this is directions. No, this is a book. Yeah, this is directions right here. This is a volcano book. Wait, learning guide.
Guys.
No, this is telling you about actual volcanoes. No, we need this.
This is first.
This is the actual.
Where's those keys?
These are
Build the mode.
Is those pop crystals?
no
I think those
fill
pop crystals. Let me see. Oh, them the pop crystals. This is the volcano plaster.
It's soft.
Mm-hmm. Y'all gonna mix that. She's making the volcano right there. It's like the little volcano cup.
But it's not actually a volcano cup, guys. I got all these orders.
What is that? Like they markers?
They paint.
Oh, it's paint brushes. That's cool.
These are be like you make them fire.
Mm-hmm. Are you gonna make the fire with it?
Yeah. This is first, guys. And then these are
The pop crystals is gonna make it erupt and pop and make all that noise. It's gonna make it erupt and burst into flames.
this is the second. That's the second, guys.
All right, just tell them y'all gonna come right back.
No.
We need a large container, pour a cup of water. So we'll be right back, guys.
All right.